I am rolling myself out to the Alfa. Every day's like Christmas here. I've always got stuff showing up on things that we need to do on projects on the car. What's up, Petey? Petey's out here hanging out with me. So today we have our shark side skirts that we need to install on here. So I'm probably going to get them taped into place, and then I've got all the hardware and stuff to get them on there as well. Which thing, Peter? Sound like a good idea? Sounds like a pretty good idea, doesn't it? It does. Awesome. All right, well, we're going to get to it. As with all things on YouTube, if you like this video, make sure you punch that like button and hit subscribe. And be sure to follow us, and you can get updates when we put all this garbage stuff out here that we're doing. And without further ado, you can watch the arrival of this. You hear me talk about this, and then I'll wrap up what we do with this. You see it in the end. Here we go. Guilia from Alpha 9 Supply. I just want to give a huge shout out to Matt Levette. He has been just taking just a vested interest in our success with this car, and we have some stuff coming from Koshi. I have to tell you, I honestly like dealing with Matt better than I like dealing with Koshi. I just get great communication and great support. So let's see what he sent me here. That off of here that Matt gave us. I cut it away. You didn't need to see it. By the way, this car that we're building is done under collaboration with Matt, so he's had a lot of input on thoughts and stuff that we're doing. I don't blame him for any of it, but he's just done a great job on getting a lot of this stuff together for us. So I got some decals in here that actually will go with our theme, as you may know and you've seen. I love those colors, by the way. And our next purchase from Matt's probably going to be those awesome logos for the car. But we are building the GTAM, and he's gotten us all the stuff for us. So just an amazing guy. A lot of people in the Alpha community may not know him. I know him very well because we bought a lot of stuff from him, and everything from stuff for our GTB6 all the way through to the Giulia. So we appreciate him being out there and supporting his business. Me. So we have the wheel turned. We're taking this one off because it's been scraped up and the tabs on the bottom are not in there. So we've got the back taken apart, and I'm just going to let you see that inside of here there's a 10mm bolt on the front and on the back. Hopefully you can see. I can't really tell, but this is on it, and I am just taking that 10mm bolt out of here. And once this is out, keep my foot under it so it doesn't completely fall off, but once that is out of there, I'll be able to take this guy off. And on the other side skirt, what we did is we tacked it up with 3M body tape, which is, you know, like Gorilla Glue. It works really well, but we want to put screws in there to hold that as well. And on this one, the bottom is a little bit messed up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this one and shave it and just make sure that the skid actually fits it. So there you can see we are completely off. I'll go to wide field of view. That is off of there. We'll get it cleaned up and get the pylon mounted on it. So the problem is on the bottom here, if you see the holes that are here, there is plastic lock tabs that go into the bottom. And those plastic lock tabs are not in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 3M body tape and get this lined up and set on here. And then once it's on, we're going to bolt it in from the bottom. We end up by maybe redoing the one on the other side completely. I think this is the better way to go. So we're going to get this lined up and get started. So here we go. Okay, final product, now you can see it. So we have got the new shark side skirts on the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio GTAM in the making. And really good step off. Got those on there the way they need to be, 100%. They look good. I know the light's not great. Beautiful carbon fiber. Big shout out to Matt Levette, Alpha 9 Supply, for hooking us up and getting these. I think it's the first pair in the USA. And we got them. So we got some accent stuff we have to do, but looking good. And I know we got to get the rear bumper on. That'll be here Monday, but I'll give you another view of those side skirts sitting in the car. This guy looks pretty badass. What do you think there, Tim? What you think about that?